Sir, good morning, sir. My name is Vikram Reddy, sir. I incorporate sales panel. As you know, sir, it's an early warning apparatus, sir. It's connected to hydrant and FSCP, so it gives instantly SMS and voice call, sir. Therefore, it prevents damage, loss, and everything, sir. So legally also, there will be no issues, and also you can sleep restlessly with peaceness, sir. So this is the basic idea of inventing Ignicop from our basic elements. The company name is Basic Elements. Our founder is Mr. Prasad sir, who has a vision to create this innovative products like Ignicop. So we do designing, installation, testing, everything we do, sir. We offer comprehensive fire safety solutions. So thank you, sir, for installing our Ignicop in fire department. And I would like to thank you with due respect.
Good morning to you all. I am Hemant K. I am a regional fire officer, Bangalore East Range. Some Ignicop basic element, they have installed fire early detection system in case of fire, any smoke detection or any hydrant operation or sprinkler burst. It gives an early warning system like SMS to the mobile phone, and as well as it gives a call. And as well as you can monitor this from the mobile as well as from the PC, personal PC, you can monitor it. It is a very good innovation system. You can install in all the software companies wherever the risk is there. Okay. It gives the early warning system as well as it gives saves the life and properties of any organization. It's a good innovation. Thank you. I wish you all the success for their future endeavor. Thank you very much.